Hello, it's Keith from Kinvert, and in this video we're going to be talking about what CAD stands for. CAD is Computer Aided Design, and that's basically what you're looking at here. This is CAD software, Computer Aided Design software. So what students will start off with is making relatively simple shapes. So for example, we could make a creeper shape by adding some feet down here, adding a body, and then we can smart scale this. So this is the main body here of the creeper. Oops. And then we grab that one. And then we bring it like this. Add another cube over here. And we're starting to get a creeper shape. Hopefully you're getting the picture there. All right, so this isn't the only type of shape that you'll make. You might also later on make some more complicated shapes. So for example, in computer aided design, you might make, so for example, this is a tire that was made for one of our robots. And I'll try to get a picture in the lesson later, but you can see this is a tire design. So the computer, right, the software helps us make a design. This would be very hard to design by hand. Computer aided design allows us to make complicated shapes that we don't have to draw by hand. Throughout history, people designed things by hand. So like the old chariots in Rome, or the aqueducts that you might see, those big kind of bridge-looking things that would carry water. So very old things, these things were designed by hand. And even up until recently, things were designed by hand. So I believe like somewhat new aircraft, the P-51 Mustang, for example, in World War II, that was drawn by hand. But now modern aircraft, those are designed with CAD. Cars are designed with CAD. Your iPhone is designed with CAD these days. We're still doing design just like we pretty much always have, but now we have computers to help us, to aid us. So CAD is computer aided design. The computer helps us, it aids us, and we are doing the design work. We are making something like this tire, and this was actually created in real life. And I'll try to remember to get a picture in the lesson. So CAD, Computer Aided Design. Hope this was helpful, and we will see you guys in the next lesson. Bye-bye.